Hi, I'm Nina, and this short video is for companies who are interested in improving their energy efficiency of their compressed air systems. Compressed air systems can be very energy intensive, so the first thing you should think about is whether you actually need to use compressed air at all. If all you're using it for is hand tools, you might want to consider switching to cordless battery tools instead. Battery technology has improved so much in the last few years that top quality cordless tools are now serious contenders for production and maintenance environments. You'll also eliminate the trip hazard of a trailing air hose. If there's no alternative to using compressed air, the most important thing you can do is make sure that there are no leaks in your system. If your pipework is leaking, your compressor will have to switch on more often to repressurise the receiver vessel, and it will waste a lot of energy. Big leaks can be fairly obvious, but smaller leaks can go undetected. A handheld ultrasonic leak detector can be used to pinpoint leaks, but you can also use leak detector sprays or even soapy water. So here we've got a packaged industrial compressed air system with a built-in refrigerant dryer. You can check for leaks, which you should do routinely with this ultrasonic leak detector. So you just press the on button and go around the pipe connections, and this one's alright. If you use a lot of compressed air systems, you should consider making leak detection part of your routine maintenance programme. Your compressed air service company will be able to help you devise a suitable set of tests. These could include no-load tests, or even electricity data logging of the compressor power supply. Another simple thing you can do to reduce your energy costs is to turn down supply pressure if your equipment can operate at a lower pressure. The savings can be as high as 7% for every 1 bar of pressure reduction, which is literally money for nothing. The next most important thing you can do to save money is to make sure your systems are properly maintained. Some businesses entrust this to a company specialising in compressed air systems, but you can easily implement your own routine checks to make sure there are no obvious problems. The main things to look out for are dirty or blocked air filters, damaged or slipping drive belts, incorrect oil levels, blocked oil/air separators. These usually have filter elements that need replacing every few months. You should also try to arrange your air compressor so that it draws air from the coolest location, as cool air takes less energy to compress. So, what about system sizing? It's quite common for a factory layout and equipment to change over time. This can mean that your compressed air system could now be over or undersized. This can result in the compressor operating inefficiently and using more electricity. A compressed air services company will be able to temporarily install pressure and flow sensors and an electricity data logger to work out the average and peak airflows. They can use the information to work out if the compressor and receiver tank are correctly sized. The other thing they can check is if there is too much pressure drop between the receiver tank and the point of use of the compressed air. If the pressure drop is a problem, putting in bigger pipework or a ring main could help with system efficiency. If you've done all the basics, you might wish to consider upgrading to a more energy efficient compressor. There are many different types, each with advantages and disadvantages, so it's best to get expert advice. The latest compressors use variable speed drive motors, which can be helpful if there's a lot of variation in the amount of air you consume. Some compressed air systems can be adapted so that the waste heat generated by the compressor can be recovered and used for process heating purposes or for hot water. You can see further details about this in our heat recovery video. I hope you found this video useful. You can find out more information about compressed air systems by downloading our fact sheet. If you're interested in other technologies, we have more videos available. Thanks for watching.